Hello students, today we are discussing a poem, Victorian poem Goblin Market by Christian Rossetti. Kobita to Pastor basic line, more than 500 lines the poem consists of, and basically it's like a fairy tale, like children literature, and so our aim in this video is to basically tell you the storyline. So Lizzie and Laura, two sisters are there in the poem. They go to fetch water by the side of a brook in the evening. আৰু তাত সেই গধূলি সময়ত কি হয় এই ঝুৰিটোৰ পাৰত য'ত লিজি আৰু লৰাই পানী আনিবলৈ যায় goblins বিলাকে তেওঁলোকৰ ফলবিলাক বেচে the goblins sell their fruits where from the goblins come it is not specified in the poem but goblins are some that resemble to animals rat cat wombat rattle আৰু তেওঁলোকে they titillate women তেওঁলোকে উইমেন বিলাকক কেপটিভেট কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰে সো লৰাই কি হয় গানত মুগ্ধ হৈ যায় তেওঁলোকে ফ্ৰুটছ বিলাক সেল কৰে তেওঁলোকে মৰ্নিং এণ্ড ইভিনিং মেইডস হাৰ্ড দ্য গবলিনস ক্ৰাই কাম বাই আৱাৰ অৰ্চাৰ্ড ফ্ৰুটছ কাম বাই apples and quinces lemons and oranges plum unpacked cherries melons and raspberries so like this the poem starts taste them and try I am reading the 25th line now. I am reading, the poetry, jumping over the lines. Taste them and try. So Laura is captivated. So Laura tat roi jai Lizzie ghoroloi gusi ahe. Lizzie, thrust fingers into her ear and Lizzie, comes home. And Laura eats the fruits. And she while coming back home she also brings a kernel stone that means a seed gusi hote eta gutio loi ahe folot aru etu enekwa bostu it's like the addiction of drugs in today's younger generations it is all about eating the fruits of goblin and then wanting some more to lore ako besike khaboloike mane tair hepa hanu polai so jetia ahe tetia Lizzie getot rokhi thake Lizzie koy it is not good we should not allow ourselves to be captivated by the goblins kyo tumi Jenny er kotha shuna nai ei Jenny namor eta swalir udahoronor di Lizzie lorak mane Lizzie tries to warn Laura by giving examples of one girl called Jenny and Lizzie is very self-restrained woman and she has come to know the rules of the society, Victorian society, lots of things are there. Do not you remember Jenny, how she made them in the moonlight, took their gifts both choice and many, ate their fruits and wore their flowers and last time ahi koise while to this day no grass will grow where she lies low etiao tai graveyard mane in her graveyard up till now etia loike there no grasses grow beget in her graveyard so ami etu goblin hokolor osoro jabo na lage Lizzie koise Laura so enekwa Lizzie kako lorai koy je nohoy phol bilak fruits are so sweet it tastes pleasant then they sleep hui jai ako ratipua teoloke dhuniyake uthe dojoni bhuni early in the morning when the first cock crowed his warning Laura rose with Lizzie fetched in honey milked the cows cakes for dainty mouths to eat fed their poultry maje mati sumoy so all these household diurnal works are done by both the sisters so here is the concept of the good angel in the household, Victorian womanhood. So actually the fruits also represent, the temptation of the forbidden fruit in Christianity. So Lorai ako moi pahori goisilu Lorai jetia mane goblin sokolok diboloke tair eko nasil tetia ki disile jetia folkhini anisile lock of a hair she gave a curl of her golden hair in exchange of the fruits and golden hair aru তো হৈছে সেই সময়ত এটা চিম্বলিক চেষ্টিটিৰ চিম্বল বা সেই সময়ত মোমেণ্টো হিচাপে ইট ৱাজ মোমেণ্টো অফ দ্য ডেড পিপল so chastity দিয়াৰ নিচিনাই হৈছিল in exchange of the fruits so the concept of the fallen women is there so এনেকে ঘৰৰ কামবিলাক কৰে আকৌ গধূলি হ'ল আকৌ তেওঁলোকে নৈ পানী ওলাই at length slow evening came they went with pitchers to the reedy brook you know so আকৌ যায় লিজি ঘৰলৈকে আহিব খোজে কিন্তু ল'ৰা she loiters here and there she doesn't want to come back you know home because she wants to eat more fruit from the goblin she was waiting for the cry of the goblins but Laura loitered still among the rushes and said the bank was steep and said the hour was early still the dew not fallen the wind not still etiao to nior khora nai etiao botah tu thanda hoane lahe lahe jam roba enekwa so ki hoy kintu eneke day after day night after night Laura kept watch in vain in silent silence of exceeding pain she never caught again the goblin cry come by kintu days pass and Laura never listens the cry of the goblin so lahe lahe ki hoy jenir nisina jenir jenikwa hoisil tair suli bilak poke her hair becomes gray her body physical condition deteriorates her eyes become dry and lots of things tetia lorar monot pore je moi je guti tu anisilu oh I have bought that kernel stone the kernel stone means one seed only one seed remains in a fruit like plum or berries one day remembering her kernel stone she set it by wall that faced the south dewed it with tears hoped for a root so she planted it in a sunny spot and she watered it with her tears kintu tarporao phol nohol lahe Laura stops doing household works she very rapidly deteriorates as if she is a corpse living corpse the dead body nisina hoi gai mane jibito tarpot enekwa mane hoi pele tetia her sister Lizzie decides to go to meet the goblins to buy some fruits to comfort her sister Laura tetia tai jabo khuje kintu bhoyo khai long to buy fruit to comfort her but fear to pay to their she thought of Jenny in her grave who should have been a bride but who for joy's brides hoped to have fell sick and died in her gay prime prime gay that means gay prime mane khub youthful obosthate Jenny kintu Jennyr kotha to when Jenny's warning is given by Lizzie to Laura it is voiced in a different type of connotation like a sexual connotation is there so koise je who should have been a bride je Jenny ejoni koina hobo lagisil but who for joy's brides hope to have kintu the joys that bride wish to have for themselves so before actually sex was restricted to marriage only in that time and before marriage sex was a crime and in that time prostitutions were considered by Christianity that is the concept of fallen women they were rehabilitated they were given households and and Rossetti also worked in a place in a rehabilitation place somewhere so the Christian connotation is here so jahok enike je Jenio mane bhoy khai Jenio to enekwa kintu Jenio to mane enekwa bhul korisil goblinor fruits bila khaisil so but put a silver penny in her purse kissed Laura crossed the heath with clumps of firs at twilight halted by the brook began to listen and look so goblinor sior bilak lahe Lizzie hune so Lizzie jai so Lizzie te koy je silver penny to di koy je for my sister I want some fruits please give me some fruits I want to buy tetia ki kore tetia goblins bilake koy nohoy amar logot boha khwa sit with us we have a feast just begun so celebrate our feast with us and see here it's not too late so they answered grinding our feast is but beginning night yet is early warm and dew pearly wakeful and starry sit down and feast with us. So কিন্তু লিজি ঘৰলৈ আহিব খোজে তেতিয়া কি কৰে some kind of torture actually, some kind of torture or sexual harassment you can say. The goblins try to harass Lizzie, clawed with their nails, barking, mewing, hissing, mocking, tore her gown and soiled her stocking, twitched her hair out by the roots. They try to pull her hair by the roots and they mock her, they tell her uncivilized and many things. They try to rip her gown and many things, কিন্তু লৰাই লিজি ইমান ধুনীয়াকৈ ৰেজিষ্ট কৰে বস্তুবিলাক মানে তাই বাধা দিয়ে সি ইজ সেল্ফ কণ্ট্ৰলড তাই মুখ নুখুলে সি ডাজেণ্ট অপেন হাৰ মাউথ দে ট্ৰাই টু ক্ৰেম্প দ্য ফুড ইন টু হাৰ মাউথ ফলবিলাক হেঁচি দিবলৈ খোজোঁতে অল দ্য জুচেছ আৰ স্মিয়াৰ্ড ইন হাৰ মাউথ জুচবিলাক মুখত লাগি যায় তেতিয়া লিজিয়ে ভালে পায় যে ঠিকে আছে এই জুচবিলাকে গৈ পেলাই মই ল'ৰাক খুৱাম তাই ভাল পাব এনেকুৱা ল'ৰা উইল বি কিউৰ্ড বাই অল দ্য জুচেছ that has been smeared in my face by the goblins. So কিন্তু তাই ইমান ধুনীয়াকৈ ৰেজিষ্ট কৰে goblins বিলাকে লাষ্টত কি হয় they are exhausted they are worn out. So Lizzie uttered not a word, would not open lip from lip, but laughed in heart to feel the drip of juice that syruped all her face. মই ক'লোৱে so তেতিয়া কি হয় warned by her resistance, flung back her penny, kicked their fruit along whichever road they took. তেওঁলোকে যাই যেনেকৈ পাৰে পলাই গুচি যায় কাৰণ they are exhausted by Lizzie's resistance. They goes away. তেতিয়া already 11 minutes. Okay, ইয়াত বহুত কনোটেশ্যন আছিল লাষ্টখিনিত মই পিছত ক'ম এতিয়া মই চামিং কৰোঁ নহ'লে আপলোড নহ'ব হা তাৰ পাছত লিজি ঘৰলৈ গুচি আহে এই যিখিনি মানে জুচবিলাক মুখত লাগি আছিল ল'ৰাক কয় সি ক্ৰাইড গেটৰ পৰা কয় ল'ৰা আপ দ্য গাৰ্ডেন ডিড ইউ মিছ মি কাম এণ্ড কিছ মি খ্ৰীষ্টিয়ান কনোটেশ্যন আছে লাষ্ট চাপাৰত জিজাছ খ্ৰাইষ্টেও কৈছিল টেক ইট মাই ব্লাড ইট মাই বডি লাইক ডেট চ' হিয়াৰ লিজি ইজ এ খ্ৰাইষ্ট ফিগাৰ চ' ৰিডেমশ্যন ইজ দেয়াৰ ল'ৰাছ ৰিডেমশ্যন ইজ ডান বাই লিজি it is one of the thing that hey সময়ত ফলেন এঞ্জেলৰ কনচেপ্টটো আছিল আৰু তাক ৰিডেমশ্যনৰ যে হ'ব পাৰে আৰু ৰিডেমশ্যন হাউচত কাম কৰা বুলি মই কৈছিলোঁৱে so then Laura comes and suck all those things kisses Lizzie then gradually she recover আৰু কবিতাটো কিন্তু তাত শেষ নহয় আকৌ আগৰ দৰে দুই ভনী হৈ যায় কবিতাটো শেষ ক'ত হয় যে now Laura and Lizzie they have become wives and mothers. One day or এদিনাখন ইয়াতে আছে কবিতাটো ভালকৈ অৱশ্যে লাইন টু লাইন পঢ়িলে গম পোৱা যাব চ' তাই নিজৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকক মাতে ল'ৰা কলছ হাৰ চিলড্ৰেন এণ্ড টেলছ দ্য various types of adventure stories and various stories in her girlhood but again she also tells them the encounter with the goblin and how her sister Lizzie helped her in this respect and she at last tells যে মানে এই ফ্ৰুটছবিলাকৰ কথা কয় আৰু they are fruits like honey to the throat but poison in the blood man sell not such in any town এনেকুৱা ফল তেওঁলোকে বিকিছিল আৰু লাষ্টত then joining hands to little hands তাৰমানে ল'ৰা ছোৱালীকেইটাৰ hands to little hands বুলি কৈছে joining hands to little hands would bid them cling together আৰু she requests to her children to remain close for there is no friend like a sister so there is no friend like a sister you cling so এনেকৈ তাৰ পাছত তেনেকৈ কবিতাটো শেষ হয় almost 567 lines মান আছে so এতিয়া it is 14 minutes it cannot be uploaded if we go a few minutes more so okay see the video I think the story is very beautifully told in detail I am not মই প্লট সামাৰিটো কোৱা নাই মই জাষ্ট ডিটেইলত কৈছোঁ দেৰি লাগিলেও 14 মিনিট হ'লেও ষ্টৰিটো এটলিষ্ট আৰু লাগে সময় কিন্তু জাষ্ট ষ্টৰি লাইন so listen the video very carefully and try to encapsulate the story the fairy tale type poem so thank you